a major private sector energy operator in India, runs one of the world's largest integrated refining and petrochemical complexes. With more than 20 fired heaters supporting CCR platforming operations, the plant faced persistent issues: refractory degradation, toolbox sedation, carburization, and inefficient heat transfer. Working with IGS, the refinery launched a multi-phase fired heater optimization program in India. The first phase used hot-tech online refractory repairs during live operation to stabilize damaged areas and avoid emergency shutdowns. Later, C-Tech ceramic coatings were applied during scheduled turnarounds to prevent oxidation and carburization, enhance radiant heat transfer, and stabilize temperatures across heater cells. The results were significant, up to a 12 degrees Celsius increase in delta T, up to a 10.5% gain in absorbed duty, productivity increases of 4 to 10%, and a payback in less than 6 months. The 2024 program delivered 9.8% fuel savings, more than $4 million in annual energy savings, lower CO2 emissions, and long-term reliability across critical fired assets. Efficiency restored, reliability secured. That's asset vitality.